Want to control who can see when you were last online? In this video, I'll show you how to hide your last seen on WhatsApp, and we'll go over all the options so you can choose what works best for you. So just open the WhatsApp, select these three dots on the top left corner, select settings, go on privacy, tap last seen and online. Here you can see four different options: everyone, my contacts, accept, and nobody. So if you choose everyone, this option, anyone who has your number, whether they are in your contacts or not, can see when you were last online. And this is the default setting for most of the users. And if you select my contacts, with this option, only the people saved in your contacts can see your last seen status. It's a good choice if you want to keep random strangers or unknown numbers from seeing when you were last active. And if you select my contacts except, this is the preferred choice if you want most people to see your last seen but need to exclude a few specific contacts. Just select the people you want to hide it from and they won't know when you were online. And if you will select nobody, then no one can see your last scene. But keep in mind, you won't be able to see anyone's last scene either. And that's it. Pick the option that fits your privacy need and enjoy a bit more control over your WhatsApp activity. Thank you.